Hello, you're watching Amina's Healthy Kitchen. My name is Amina, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a tropical breakfast smoothie. This smoothie is perfect for breakfast. It's really easy to make and it's full of things that will give you a lot of energy and give you a kickstart to the day. The first ingredient I'm using is pineapple. I'm using pineapple because pineapples are very high in a mineral called manganese, and manganese is something that gives us energy. The next ingredient I'm using is a banana. When you wake up in the morning, you always feel really tired and like lethargic. That's because in the morning we're always low in potassium. So having something high in potassium can help you have energy in the morning, and that's why I'm using a banana. The next ingredient I'm using is Greek yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt because Greek yogurt is very high in protein, and protein gives us energy. I'm using almond milk because almonds can help you retain mental focus, but you can use any milk that you want. It won't make a difference to the taste. I'm using mangoes, mostly because I really love mangoes, but also because they give vitamin C and fiber. You always need fiber in your life. Okay, so I'm going to put all my ingredients into my NutriBullet and blend it. It's finished. Ooh. Ooh. It smells so lovely. And there you have my tropical breakfast smoothie. If you like this recipe and you want more healthy, tasty food ideas, then go to aminashealthykitchen.com. And until next week, keep cooking.